Let us solve JE advanced conceptual problem. A gun of mass capital M fires a bullet of mass small m with a horizontal speed capital V. The gun is fitted with a concave mirror of focal length f facing towards the receding bullet. Find the speed of separation of the bullet and the image just after the gun was fired. That means here one gun is there. This gun is fitted with concave mirror and it is fires a bullet of mass small m, and this bullet moves with velocity v. Now what we have to do means here image is there like that, we assume this image velocity let us take as a vi. Now we need to find the speed of separation of the bullet and the image they are asking. That means we need to calculate relative velocity of the bullet with respect to its image we have to find. That means here velocity of the bullet with respect to image we need to find. This is the question. Velocity of bullet with respect to image we have to find. So first we find the velocity of the gun just after the bullet is fired. For that we use conservation of momentum. By using conservation of momentum, conservation of momentum momentum we use conservation of momentum concept we use just before firing the bullet and gun was raised, so that initial momentum is zero. That means final momentum must be zero. Final momentum is mass of the bullet into velocity of the bullet is taken as a v dash. Mass of the gun into velocity of the gun taken as a v dash. This is mass of the gun into velocity of the gun plus mass of the bullet into velocity of the bullet is equal to 0. From this, velocity of the gun is equal to minus m into v divided by capital M. Here minus indicates that gun moves opposite direction to the bullet motion. Now we find velocity of the image. Since just after the firing we have to find the velocity of the image with respect to bullet, otherwise velocity of the bullet with respect to the image. That means this bullet is very near to the pole. Very near to the pole is there. So very near to the pole means we assume that this is like a nearly plane mirror, like that we have to assume. Nearly plane mirror like that we have to assume. So to find velocity of the image, what we are doing means actually we know that velocity of object with respect to mirror is equal to minus of velocity of image with respect to mirror in the case of plane mirror. So velocity of the object minus velocity of the mirror is equal to minus of velocity of the image minus velocity of mirror. Now from this velocity of object we are taking as a v. Bullet is taken as a velocity of the object, velocity v. Here minus we are taking as a velocity of the mirror is minus v dash. That is minus v dash we are taking, minus v dash. This minus we are taking inside. Now this is minus velocity of image. This is the velocity of the image. This is the velocity of the image. Now we are taking this minus inside, so that minus minus plus comes, and the velocity of the mirror is minus v dash. Minus v dash. Why velocity of the mirror we are taking as a minus v dash means here given velocity of the object is given v. We assume velocity of the object means velocity of the bullet, and here mirror moves opposite to the velocity of the bullet, so that we are taking velocity of the mirror as a minus v dash. We are taking opposite direction, so that like that we are taking. Now by substituting v dash, this all we can get velocity of the image. This velocity of the image we keep left side only, right side only, minus velocity of the image. So by taking this minus v dash that side, this minus minus plus, so that here what we are getting means 2v dash plus v. This minus v dash comes this side, plus will become this minus minus plus v dash. This v dash is 2v dash, and this v is there. This v is velocity of the bullet. This v dash is the velocity of the mirror. Now actually we need to find velocity of the object with respect, velocity of the bullet with respect to image. Velocity of bullet is known as velocity of the object we taken. So velocity of the bullet with respect to image. Velocity of bullet with respect to image means velocity of the bullet minus velocity of the image. Velocity of the bullet minus velocity of the image. So velocity of the bullet is given as a v. Velocity of the bullet is given as a v. That is the v naught. Velocity of the bullet is known as velocity of the object. That is known as v. So this we are keeping as a v. Here minus velocity of the image is twice the v dash plus v. So here this 2 v dash, these 2 we take common, so v plus v dash we are getting, v plus v dash we are getting. Now we are going to substitute v dash value. we are going to substitute V dash value. This is the V dash value. This is the V dash value we are substituting here. V dash value if we substitute, actually already with the directions this all be substituted, so that now we will get answer as a 2 into V plus V dash is M into V divided by capital M. This minus indicated that this bullet velocity, this gun velocity opposite to the bullet velocity. This minus symbol, all everything we have taken. Here we are going to substitute magnitude only. So by taking V common, this V common, we will get 2 into 1 plus small m divided by capital M into V. So this is the velocity of the bullet separated with respect to its image in the concave mirror.